So you guys, I hope you can see the lamb, but I washed the lamb, well, yeah, washed it, boil it a little bit, so it could be tender. Then after boiling it, I washed it with lime juice and water, really washed it, get in all in the crevices and stuff, really wash it really nice. And then I drained it out a bit, and now I just have it in some, I squeeze some fresh lime juice over it, and it's just sitting in that, and I'm about to season it now. I brought in the light. So guys, I'm about to season. I want to add a little Trini flair to this. It will be kind of like a barbecue, baked barbecue style. So I'm just going in with my Trini fresh seasonings. I'm going in with some mustard. I have some fresh shadow benny here, so I'm going to use that. I just have a little bit, but I also have fresh seasoning in the fresh shadow benny in the green seasoning that I'm about to put next. Right, so I just have some fresh green seasoning. And then I want to add some pepper sauce. I'm going to put some homemade pepper sauce, guys. This tastes really good. You can't see it, but I'm going to put some. It is not spicy, but it has a lot of flavor in it. My fresh pepper sauce, and then I'm going in with the powder seasonings. Now guys, I'm just going off the top of my head. I don't have a specific recipe, but yeah, I'm going in with salt, and then I'm using some all-purpose seasoning, a little bit of some chicken seasoning, not too much, because remember all the salt will add up, some black pepper. I have some onion powder. I have a little bit of paprika or chili, and then I have a little bit of mixed herbs. This is like pizza seasoning with Italian seasoning. So I'm just going to do a little sprinkle. Guys, this is what it looks like, and I'm going to mix it all up. You guys, so you can see that seasoning, you can see all the flavor. Look at all that beautiful seasoning. You just want to make sure it's nice and combined. Get all that seasoning, rub it in the lamb, and then we're going to put it into the baking tray. So I just added the lamb to the baking tray, and I just put a little barbecue sauce and the remainder of the seasoning, and let it bake up. Then we will add additional barbecue sauce and stuff. So yeah guys, that's what we're looking like. Good, my light not doing it any justice, but it's looking so good. Making her famous callaloo that everyone loves so much, and I'm not sure if I'll show you guys the recipe in this video, but we'll definitely do some videos with her cooking. Guys, I told you this is the best callaloo ever, and this is no blender. This is the swizzle stick. Another name for swizzle stick. Dal good. So yeah guys, this is good callaloo. I'm about to drink a whole cup myself because it tastes so good, guys. No kidding. It looks so good. So good. dent on my glaze. Just have to add cheese. I want that to be nice and crispy. That's it. Thin and moist.